We'll guide you through how to set up Google Authenticator. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on an iPhone or an Android, it doesn't matter. So with Google Authenticator, it's going to go and allow you to go and set up two-factor authentication in different apps and websites. So when you go and sign in or make some type of change, you may get prompted for the two-factor authentication code, and you can open up Google Authenticator and go and get it from there. So let's guide you through setting this up. To get started, open the App Store or Play Store on your device, and you need to go and then press search, and you can then press search again, and we can go and type in Google Authenticator, just like so. I'm being suggested it here. Then you can go and download it. As you can see, I've downloaded it just for the sake of this video. Now you need to go and press open, and you want to go and press get started. Now what you can do is go and sign with a Google account. So I'm going to press sign in here. And then what you can do is press continue, and then you can go and sign in. I want to use another account. I've now successfully signed in. Now in your case, you may go and see some codes here. This means you've gone and used Google Authenticator before with that Google account or the one you're currently on, and so you can then go and start using them for signing in. However, if yours is blank like mine, do not worry. So we can go and start adding them now. So what we need to do is we can go and head to an app or website we want to do this in. So for example, I want to go and do this with Instagram. So I'll go and find Instagram like so. Press our profile icon in the bottom right, and with the app open, you need to go and head to the account settings where we can start setting up two-factor authentication. You could also use it on your computer as well, it doesn't have to be on your phone. Press the three lines in the top right, and that will then go and open up your settings and privacy, and in Instagram, we need to come to Account Center. Next, you want to go into Account Settings and press Password and Security, then you can press two-factor authentication. Choose the account you want to go and set it up on. We can then go and select Authentication App. That is what Google Authenticator is, and you can press Next. So now what's going to happen is you're going to go and be given a code here. Alternatively, you can get a QR code. A QR code is going to be best if you're using this on another device, because then you can go and scan it with this device's camera. But as I'm setting up on this device and I have Google Authenticator, the key is going to be much more convenient. So press copy key, then what you need to do is come return to Authenticator and go and press add a code or press the plus in the bottom right. Here we're then getting prompted to scan a QR code or enter a setup key. So what we can then do is we can go and press key in my case, and then you can go and give this a name. I'm going to name this IG, which stands for Instagram. Click on key, and we can tap on our cursor and press paste. Then you want to go and set time of key to time based and press add. That's it. We've now got the code here. So what you want to do is come and return to Instagram, and you can press next to the bottom. To go and confirm this, we then need to go and enter in the code we're getting given on Instagram. So I'll return here and I'll tap, and it's now copied, and you want to return to Instagram, and we can then go and paste in the code and press next. That then verifies that we've gone and successfully set up the authentication app, and it should go and successfully say that soon. As you can see, it's now turned on. We can press done, and that's it. So next, when we go and sign into Instagram, we go and try and change a potential setting, it may go and ask you for that. And then what you need to do is come and open up Google Authenticator, and you'll see your code here. And you can add more by pressing the plus in the bottom right, and you can then enter up another setup key or a QR code. So that's it. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.